Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your Facebook cover photo private on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the Facebook app, and now you can see the cover photo here at the top of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can now tap on see cover photo, and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can see the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see the many options here, but you can't see the option that is make cover photo private because the Facebook doesn't provide any feature to private your cover photo. You can delete the photo that you want to other people's not seeing your cover photo, and this is the one solution that you delete your cover photo, and after this the cover photo is deleted, the other person not see your cover photo because the cover photo section is empty. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.